So hi all, it's August 1st and I know the video which you're all waiting for. Well, I think you guessed it. It's the drawings that I did in the month of July. Well, here's the first one. Da, 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 da. Here it is. So well, guess who it is? Yes, it is Simba from the movie Lion King. Actually, I took a challenge for me to draw this particular drawing. That is, I need to use just one pencil to give a shading for the whole line. And I was pretty impressed that I actually followed that challenge and the outcome was good. So see, let me just show you. These are the mains. I just drew some random strokes. So the eyes. So it will be a dark, kind of light, dark, light and so on. And for the nose, it has a dark outline, while like the inner part is shaded with lightly. And these are the whiskers, and I think I not explain them. And here is like the bottom part. And the mane, for me, I just drew some random lines of about the shadings are kind of the similar for the mane. And I thought that I could do a remake of the drawing again to do a time-lapse drawing on it. So I'll be uploading it in a few days, so you can just check it out. So now the other drawings I actually did it in a book. Let me just take it. Well, here it is. Oh, I just reversed it. So here, the first drawing actually is a drawing dedicated to YouTube. It's because that's why I upload my videos, and that is the platform where you view my video. So it's dedicated to YouTube. So I just used red color, giving various shades of red. Here it's kind of light, a bit darkened, this is very dark. And for the note, the outer covering is dark while the inner is light, and like that. So the outcome was pretty good. And this drawing was inspired by Vexx. So the next doodle, well, here it is. It's a comet doodle. This was actually designed by me. I just designed it first and then I sketched it up. So here's the comet. I gave a kind of realistic texture using color pencils, and then some doodles fully here. And then this drawing was good. So what can we do if they are just like this? What doodle can we fill? Well, if we have that doubt, well then the first simple solution is horns. See, I have drawn a horn here which just aligns with the corner part. Even here I have drawn one. So that's a tip for if there's a triangle, how to cover it using doodle. You can consider that as one. And now for the next drawing. Here it is. It is the Saturn, not Saturn, it's a UFO that's straight from the galaxy, and it's fully loaded with doodles. So this is the UFO, and I have written my name here with all the other doodles flowing out of it. And I actually, the favorite doodle that I liked was this one, just because it was a paper plane and was very much related with this theme. I have drawn the same doodle which I drew it in the previous page. So well, the last drawing, it's a cool boy driving a cycle. This drawing was actually, I drew this in remembering my friend in my mind actually. I didn't draw the eyes, instead of which I covered it with the cap. Saw someone here falling from the back. Instead of smoke, I drew a doodle, and he was sitting in a cool cycle. See, I even gave gradient effect, which was quite simple. Well, first you need to give the red color, and then you can use a black color pencil, and then give dark shades, and then slowly shade it till it goes to a lighter shade, and actually worked pretty good. So even this coat, I actually used color pencils, violet, indigo and pink. So well, if my friend seeing this, then this drawing is dedicated to him. I even showed to him and he was pretty impressed with this drawing. So in one hand he's having a juice, and in the other hand he's spinning a basketball. This is what makes him cool. He's sitting in a cycle but not holding the handlebar. He's doing other things than that. And the backpack is full with doodles. So yes, these are the drawings that I did in the month of July. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel here. You can check out the drawings that I did in the month of June here, and you can check out all my drawing showcase playlist right here. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.